The summer picnic. It is a hot summer day. Domestic animals go to the picnic. A cat, a dog, and a rabbit eat sandwiches and drink lemonade. A donkey and a horse come with a big watermelon. They say, "Yum! We eat it under the umbrella." A goat and a pig are here too. They eat ice cream. A parrot makes a sand castle by the sea. The parrot says, "Look at my castle. I am the king of the beach." A hen, a sheep, and a duck play with a ball. The hen kicks the ball. "I am the best at soccer." A canary sings songs. It flies around and says, "This is a great picnic." A turkey wears sunglasses and drinks its cold lemonade. The turkey says, "What a hot weather." A mouse and a ferret race to the tent. The mouse says, "I am faster than you." The ferret says, "No, I am faster than you." A turtle walks slowly around the picnic. There are some sunflowers, too. A cow is sitting under the umbrella and enjoys the warm weather. A goose swims in the sea under the sun. A fish puts a shell on its head. At the end of the day, all animals are full and happy.